Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubit Store is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Lalala Face Cream. Lalala Face Cream is designed to lighten the skin and to get rid of acne, pimples, dark spots, freckles, blemishes, sunburns, wrinkles, dark circles under the eyes. It can be mixed with other creams or body lotion to boost its effect or to alleviate any irritation or side effects that may occur while using them. It generally helps to repair damaged skin. Lalala Face Cream can be used for pro-mixing other products, but you are advised to ask for directions from a professional. This cream erases discolorations and improves the skin's elasticity. It refreshes and revives the skin tone and texture. It also makes the skin fairer by reducing the production of melanin. It removes dry and flaking skin cells, and also smoothens scared tissues. This face cream reduces excess oil, melasma, dark marks and premature aging. It also rejuvenates the skin. How to use Lalala Face Cream. Take some of the cream and gently massage it into your skin until it is completely absorbed. Use twice daily, morning and night. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubit Store. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.